Welcome, everyone, to the Mountain View Inn, where anything is possible. Today we'll meet Ralph, a daring young mouse, and Keith, a boy with a toy motorcycle that's about to change everything. Let's see how their story begins.
Mom says this place is rustic. I think that means kind of old. But hey, as long as I have my toys, everything will be fine. And you, my friend, will make this trip epic.
But Keith wasn't the only one excited about the shiny red motorcycle. Hidden behind the walls of the hotel was a mouse named Ralph, who had just spotted the most amazing thing he had ever seen.
A motorcycle? Here? In this boring, crumb-filled hotel? My mom is always saying, be careful. It's like she's afraid of everything. Hide here. Don't eat that. Don't even think about saying hi to a dog. This could be my ticket to some fun.
Ralph wasn't like other mice. He didn't just think about food or staying out of sight. Ralph dreamed of adventure, speed, thrills, wind through the whiskers, and now his dream was sitting right in front of him.
Okay, Ralph, be cool. Just act natural. No one will notice a little mouse like me. And soon, that motorcycle will be mine. Oh yeah, this feels right. I'm ready to ride.
A mouse? Hey, are you looking at my motorcycle?
Hi. This isn't what it looks like.
Really? Because it looks like you're about to take my motorcycle.
Okay, fine. You caught me. But can you blame me? Look at this thing. It's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I've always wanted to ride something like this.
But you're a mouse, and you're asking to borrow my motorcycle? You just don't hear that every day. Well, you do seem like a trustworthy kind of guy. Listen, I gotta go. You won't do anything crazy, will you?
Define crazy.
And so a friendship began. Keith had no idea just how adventurous Ralph could be, and Ralph was about to discover that even his wildest dreams could come true. But every adventure comes with challenges, and Ralph's journey was just about to get started.
Stick around, folks.
You won't want to miss what happens next.